If you want to install Windows 11 on your PC without using USB bootable pendrive, then this video is gonna help you a lot. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your PC without using any USB bootable pendrive. And this method will work on supported and unsupported both PCs. Then without getting much more delay, let's get started. So friends, first of all, just open a browser and on the search box, just type Windows 11 download and click the very first Windows 11 downloading link from Microsoft. Right click on this page and select inspect, and here just click on the three dots, select more tools and select your network conditions, and here just uncheck this use as default browser and just click on the custom, and here select Chrome OS. Then just refresh this page. Now just scroll a little bit and here just select Windows 11 multi edition, click on download now, and here you will have to select the language, then select confirm, and now here finally the Windows 11 download link is here. You can simply download the Windows 11 ISO file by clicking here. After the download is completed, you have to close the browser. Now just right click on start menu and select disk management. From here just create a new 10 GB disk space. Just right click on a bigger drive and shrink volume. 10 GB size is there and click shrink. Okay, it is 10 GB unallocated space created. Then just right click on unallocated space, new simple volume. Next, put the name of the volume Win11 and just click on next, finish. Okay, new volume is created. Just go to this PC. Here the new volume is created. Now just go to download folder and here you will find the Windows 11 ISO file. Just double click on the ISO file and it is mounted. Again open a new file explorer and then just go to this folder, Windows 11 folder, and select all from this ISO file and drag and drop to the Windows 11 folder. You'll have to wait here until it is completed. Now everything is copied, and just close all the file explorer and on your keyboard press Win key plus L. Now just click on the wallpaper and here on the keyboard press and hold the shift key and restart your PC. And here on this menu just select troubleshoot, advanced option and command prompt. You will have to wait here. Just select your account. If your computer is associated with any Microsoft account, then you will have to put the Microsoft account password. Otherwise you will have to put here your system password, then click on continue. And here just type notepad and click enter. Here click on file, select open. Now just go to this PC and here you will have to go to Windows 11 drive, and here file type, select all type and just select the setup file and right click on the setup file and select run as administrator. Here the setup file is opened. Just click on next and select install now. If your computer processor is eligible for Windows 11 a free update, then you will have to do nothing here. If your computer is unsupported for Windows 11, then you will have to press shift plus F10 and on command prompt just type regedit and click enter. Here just select HP local machine, then system, then setup, and right click on setup and select new key and put the name here as lab config. L and C will be in capital letter. Then double click the lab config and right click on here new and dword 32-bit value. Just type here bypass CPM check and just hit enter, then again enter, and here the value should be 1. Type 1 and click OK. Again right click and select new and dword 32-bit value. Type bypass secure boot check and hit enter. Again hit enter, put the value as 1 and click OK. Then again right click on here, select a new dword 32-bit value, put the name here bypass RAM check, then click enter. Again enter, put the value as 1 and click again enter. All is set. Just close it, close the CMD and just click here I don't have a product key. Select the Windows 11 version, then click on next, accept terms and conditions, then click next, select custom install, and here don't delete the Windows 11 drive. Now you will have to format the drive where the Windows is already installed on. Just select the drive and format, and the drive is selected, then click next and the installation has been started. You will have to wait here until the installation process is completed. Here you can restart your system manually or else it will be automatically restarted. On the screen just select Windows 11. Select your region and click yes. Select your keyboard language and click yes. Select skip here. Checking for update. Just wait for some time. Here put the name of your device and then click next. Select setup for personal use and then click next. Now you have to select sign in. Here you will have to sign in with your Microsoft account. Just click next. Here you will have to create a pin. Here you will have to create a pin. Just click here include letters and symbols. Now just put your pin. Again confirm the pin. Just click OK. Here just click next. Again accept. Click skip. Again click on skip. Select decline. Again select decline. Skip for now. Here the last setup is on its way. You will have to wait here for some time. Congratulations, Windows 11 has been successfully installed on your PC. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends. We will meet on another day on another topic. Till then, take care.